Yeah, I'm here today from Needle, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually write and read data within Needle application. So you can use Needle as a standalone application to create kind of tickets within GitHub or Jira, wherever you are going to create tickets based on the conversations information that you have like living within other system. Let's say, for example, you had a longer conversation within Slack where you decided about a specific feature that you're going to build within your application. And from that, you want to derive some action items, and action items often means issues or specific tickets within your PM application, whichever you are using there, whether this is GitHub, Jira, or Linear. And in this case, we are doing this now with the Needle to do this actually without any manual work and super easy and fast within an AI agentic fashion. So first of all, we want to find files about daily. And as you see here now, it actually has found the daily messages for our Slack channel, which is like each kind of day is one file in this regard. This is how we are handling it on Needle's side. And then I want to summarize what actually happens. So we want to summarize the discussion of daily of yesterday. So as you see here are some kind of action items that I have. And from that, I can actually say, filter out what has to be done today. And we see here, there are the tasks that have to be done today. From that, we can derive some items or tickets. And in this case, we want to create issues for these action items within GitHub. And as you see now, these GitHub issues have been created. And if we go over to our issues, you see here in our issues, in our GitHub repository, all these issues have been generated like a minute ago, just now. And we see that it successfully worked. So we created GitHub issues based on our Slack discussion, in this case, our Slack daily. So at Needle, we believe in the fact that AI is going to support us with automating more of our processes, being more productive and leveraging our time, and not doing as much of these boring or annoying tasks that we have to do in our daily work life, but actually are not really adding a lot of value to the table, which is just like manually creating on a bulk a lot of tickets and deriving information from Slack messages to do so. Use AI tools to leverage your time. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to us. We are very happy to support you, and see you soon.